Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this beef barley soup. Simple and easy to make. The ingredients you're going to need is 4 cups of water, 4 cups of beef stock or beef broth. If you'd like to make it yourself, you can, or if you want to purchase it in the supermarket, you can do that too. 1 14.5 ounce can of your fire roasted diced tomatoes. If you want to use regular tomatoes, that's fine. 2 cups of chopped cooked roast beef, 1 cup of quick cooking barley. This is the brand that I like to use. It cooks in 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, 1/2 cup of carrots, 1/2 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of onions, and I'm using frozen edamame beans. If you want to use frozen corn or peas, you may substitute whatever you like best, and I'm going to leave that up to you. So let's get started on making our mirepoix. Over here to the oven top, I've got a 6-quart saucepan over medium-high heat. I'm adding butter, and I'm adding the mirepoix. And the mirepoix are just your carrots, your celery, and onion. And we're going to sweat this for the next 5 minutes until our vegetables become tender and the onions are translucent. 5 minutes are up, and you can see how those onions have turned translucent. Now we're going to add that can of tomatoes. Put it all in there along with the water. Very simple and easy to make, and absolutely delicious and hearty for these cool, cold evenings. Here we've got the beef broth. We're going to add that barley, all those seasonings, and give it a lovely little stirring. We're going to bring this to a boil. And turn your heat up to high. This is the perfect boil. Now we're turning our heat down to simmer. We're going to cover it with a tight-fitting lid and let it cook 20 minutes, stirring once or twice. Use your timer. Time to peek in on that beef barley soup, and look how fantastic that is. Oh yeah, it's got another 10 minutes, so continue simmering. 20 minutes are up, and I'm turning off that timer. And now, ooh, that looks so beautiful, and look how lovely that barley just cooked up. We're gonna add those 2 cups of chopped beef right into our soup with these edamame beans. And we're going to heat this through. It's going to take about 7 to 10 minutes. Now, if you want to add, your frozen corn or peas instead of your edamame beans, you may. Or if you want to use all 3, you may do that too. But I'm definitely going to leave it up to you. We're now going to cover this and let it simmer for an additional 7 to 10 minutes. Beef barley soup's on. And look how scrumptious that is. Still very steamy and warm. Look at those edamames. And that broccoli. Let's just put a little bit more beef broth in there. As you can see, the steam's coming off the top. We gotta try it. Oh, ooh, looky there. Look at those hunks of beef and those tomatoes. And the carrot, the edamame. I just want a little bit of everything on that spoon before I bite into it. Here goes. Perfectly tender barley. Those edamame beans are just perfect in this beef barley soup, y'all. And if you've got a leftover chuck roast and you don't know what to do with that beef, well, now you know what to do with it. Make yourself a beef barley soup. Delicious. Absolutely fantastic, y'all. Perfect for these winter days. This never, ever disappoints. Oh yeah, look at that. For any day of the year as far as that goes. A perfect, hearty, and savory soup. That's right, beef barley. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up. Looky there. Just look at that. It's beautiful. Leave me a comment. Follow me here on YouTube or Instagram, y'all. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.